This will be a special delivery from the chef. For your dining pleasure, 2 double Krabby Patties cooked to perfection, complemented by a side of coral bits and a jumbo diet soda, topped off with a little extra love. Enjoy. 1 Krabby meal served with extra sanitary foot service. Your hot, steamy, juicy Krabby Patty and a large drink. Enjoy.
Hey, is my food here yet?
Here, you can have mine.
Just put those patties back when you're done.
Can do, Mr. Krabs.
I'm really glad I don't eat here.
Order up.
Where's my food?
I want my Krabby Flabbies!
Coming right up, sir.
Delicious!
Order up, Mini Squid.
Okay, SpongeBob. Always happy to help.
Here you go, pal. Go get him, Tiger.
Okay, now who had the Krabby Patty and who had the Krabby Patty? What the? That's my joke!
Wow, honey. This new mini Squidward is such a card.
I like Krabby Patties. I think they're swell. I like Krabby Patties. Can you not tell? Krabby Patties, they're so neat. La 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 la. Sweet to eat. La 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 la. Really neat. Sweet to eat. Treat that's neat. Sweet treat. Treat sweet treat sweet.
Oh, now looky here. Night patties! Now you're getting the swing of it.
Night patties?
Order up, people!
All right, night patties. Smooth.
Number 17, your patty is ready. Oh! Watch your step, Squidward. It is pitch black out here.
Don't know, don't want to.
Order number 17. Order number 17. Order 17. No. No. Order 17. Order 17. Your Krabby Patty, ma'am. That ought to fix it.
I cannot believe I let you talk me into this.
Oh, come now, Mr. Squidward. Catering is a great way for you to make a little extra money. For me to make a lot. Any ideas?
How's that?
I'll take 1 Krabby Patty and a drink, please. I said and a drink.
These are cold. I paid for a hot meal.
Yeah!
Maybe if we go up there, we can get them fresh.
Your Krabby Patty, sir. Hey, Squidward. Cool rock.
Hold on a second, SpongeBob. Here you are, my good man.
Oh, thank you, Patrick.
There's plenty more where that came from, my good friend.
Ahoy there!
Whoa!
My name is Eugene Krabs, and I would like to know if I can interest either one of you in a fresh, delicious Krabby Patty fresh off the grill.
Are they free?
Yes! Today they're only $3 each.
Sounds great.
Now that's what I call fast food.
Okay, folks, how do you like this? I'm breaking new ground. Time to get edgy.
We want onions! Cheese!
Ready for the grand finale!
Krabby Patties!
Here you are, hungry customers. Your delicious Krusty Dogs.
They do look delicious.
Yes. Eat one and you will develop an unsightly skin condition. Here's your footlong, sir.
Thanks. 12 inches of deliciousness.
Yeah. You know what gives them that added flavor?
No. What?
Nose hairs and recycled dental floss. It's the Krusty Krab! Hey, Mr. Krabs, thanks for showing us the way out of Random Land.
Excuse me, I'm not Krabs. The name is Roger. And I walked all the way from 86 Screwball Street to complain about never getting my delivery.
Oh, your delivery, my good man. Mission accomplished. I can't wait to see the look on our customer's face.
Yeah?
Congratulations, sir. Your Krabby Patty pizza is here.
Wow, thanks. I've been dying for one of these. Where's my drink?
What drink?
My drink? My Diet Dr. Kelp? Don't tell me you forgot my drink!
But you didn't order any.
How am I supposed to eat this pizza without my drink?
But
Didn't you ever once think of the customer? You call yourself a delivery boy? Well, I ain't buying!
Help me fit these patties. We've got growling stomachs out there.
No.
Then would it be too much trouble to ask His High and Mightiness to take these patties out to the customers? Oh, if only SpongeBob were here.
SpongeBob were here, we'd be covered in ick. Lunch is served. Eat up, kids.
SpongeBob, what are you doing sitting around? We need Krabby Patties out there.
yes, sir. I'll do it normally.
Eh? Wow, that's all it takes these days, huh? Can you do more? Oh my! It's like printing money!
Okay, Squidward. Here I come. I'm coming over. I'm bringing the patty to you. Here comes the patty. No problem. I'm walking the Krabby Patty over to Squidward. All right, Squidward. I'm giving you the patty for the hungry customer so they can eat it when I give it to you, which is right now. All new free Krabby Patties.
Hey, buddy, I'll try one. What have I got to lose? Dear Neptune's gill sacks, this is the best thing I've ever put in my mouth! Yay!
Did he just say it was good?
Whoa!
You, sir, are a tardy pants. Wait till Mr. Krabs finds out. You better think of something to save your job.
One Krabby Patty and Krabby Fries for table 4.
Order up! Here you go, sir. One Krabby Patty, Krabby Fries, and a Krabby drink in 3 seconds flat. Hello.
Hello.
Could I interest you in a Krabby Patty?
No thanks.
Now what?
I don't know, Patrick. Mr. Krabs said if we didn't find customers not to come back. Are you sure you don't want to be our first customer, sir?
Yeah, I'm pretty sure.
Wait! We'll pay you.
Here's the slop you ordered. Enjoy.
if you can choke it down.
Be rude to customer and insult food. Nasally laugh.
What is taking you so long?
I'm adding the love.
You're not being paid to love.
I'm not in it for the money. I'll always treasure this time we've had together.
Look!
He doesn't want to eat us for being lazy. He wants to eat us because he's hungry. Fellas, leave this to me.
Way to go, boy! He loves it!
Pardon me, you smart fellow. Down here. Why settle for Plankton's lumpy chum when you can enjoy a steaming Krabby Patty for free?
No thanks.
Barnacles. Oh! What is all that noise?
One Krabby Patty!
Coming right up!
Action! Smash it, smash it, smash it!
Aha! You're getting sloppy, Plankton. Squidward almost squashed you.
I love karate.
I love money, eh?
I hate all of you.